Hey everyone, welcome back to Shivani Graphics YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to create an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail like this one, which is perfect for celebrating big milestones like 15 million subscribers. Let's dive right in. Let's set up your workspace. Open up your favorite graphic design software. I am using Adobe Photoshop for this tutorial. Start by creating a new project with a resolution 1920 into 1080 pixels, which is the ideal size for a YouTube thumbnail. Next, let's add a vibrant background for this thumbnail. I am using a green gradient to make the elements pop. You can create the gradient by selecting two different shades of green and blending them together. Now it's time to add our main characters. I have got an images of Cristiano Ronaldo and another person. Make sure to cut out the background if needed and then place it them on opposite sides of the thumbnail. Its balance helps to the central message. Finally, let's refine the thumbnail by adding some shadows and glows to make the elements stand out. Adjust the color if necessary to ensure everything is vibrant and eye-catching. The highlight of this thumbnail is, of course, the 50 million milestones. Create a large text in bold that says 50M and place it in the center to emphasize growth, and a green upward and pointing arrow next to it. To encourage viewers to subscribe, let's add a call to action. Create a banner below the 50M text that says subscribe in bold red letter. Add same festive around it to make it celebratory. The subscribers growth, let's add a progress bar at the bottom. Start with a dashed line across the width of the thumbnail. Then add labels for 1K, 10M, 26M and finally 50M, marking the journey from start to finish. And there you have it, a dynamic celebratory YouTube thumbnail ready to grab attentions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.